Happy Sunday fun day. Happy Sunday fun day, y'all. I will be doing a quick unboxing of my product that I got from Pampered Chef and the private consultant. Thanks, Sharon. I got my order on last week. I'm just deciding just to unbox this just to let people know, what I got and what this company is, y'all. Pampered Chef, y'all, they have great kitchen tools and gadget. They are on Facebook, and you can also Google the company to see what all they have. It just makes being in the kitchen fun. Like their products, they got tools and different things that helps make, your job easier. For the ones who love to cook, who does this for a living, you got a cooking business, or you just like to have fun in the kitchen, and you just want your job to be enjoyable. Yeah, I'm seeing that Pampered Chef, they have everything. They have all types of tools, kitchen gadgets, blenders, different stuff like that, little cute stuff that you can decorate your food. They have recipes, things like that. So y'all check that out on Pamperd.Kitchen. Y'all, and Pampered Chef, I'm sorry, it's Pampered Chef. And it's they are a kitchen, a kitchen gadget company. Y'all, it's their logo PC. And I'm starting to learn, more about the company, and I'm seeing a lot of cool stuff like online and also on their Facebook page on different stuff. The deep cover baker, they have the microwave bowl cozy set. I'm looking at some of the stuff now. The white round stone, they got glassware mixers, they got apple slicers, food processor, square cooling pans, the deluxe cooking blender, the mini loaf pan. And they have different specials to where I was reading up a few minutes ago where you can order some of the supplies. You can get another set for discounted price. You can also become a consultant too, and get, like, you can have your own little Pampered Chef party. Y'all, this is dope, y'all. They got the ceramic egg cooker. Y'all have to check out this website. The brown sugar keeper set. Different stuff like that. This makes your job very easy in the kitchen, y'all. The microwave popcorn maker. Microwave popcorn maker, y'all. That sounds like fun. So this is what I got. I got the garden vegetable dip. And with the garden vegetable dip, yeah, I can use this like to it's a mix that I can put this, like what I would do with it, I can put this like on my salad, tacos. I like the little garden vegetable flavor. I love that, y'all. So I can put this like on my again, I can put this like on my tacos. I love tacos. Salad. I can sprinkle a little bit on my salad. I'm gonna open up and smell it, y'all. And then, like, with me, I'm what I'm saying, I eat kind of weird. I have me some Lay's chip, and I just probably sprinkle some on my Lay's chips, stuff like that. So this is one of the things that I gotten from that my garden vegetable dip. Like to try like different stuff, different seasoning and rubs and stuff like that. That helps make your food taste better. So they have spices and seasoning and things of that nature on the website. And guys, you can be able to they have recipes. People who they love cooking. You cooking for like your family, for occasions and stuff like that. They have like the recipes there too that like to give your recipe a good kick to it. Yeah, they have, you can go on Google Pampered Chef, and they also have a Facebook page. Cool stuff. They got metal straws. That's in now, for your beverage. I like that. Let me see what else they have. They got multicolored kitchen utensil sets. Different stuff I'm kind of looking up now on here. I advise y'all to go check this out yourself. You might find something that's useful, and especially, you know what I'm saying, you like to decorate your food. You cater to like large groups of people, and you know what I'm saying, you are a private chef. Y'all, they have, this is good. You have a business, a cooking service business. They got tortilla warmers. That's only $15. It's, y'all, stuff that just makes your job easier in the kitchen. So that's good just to have that. They have an instant read food thermometer. Isn't that dope? Different stuff like that. Y'all can go check that out. Y'all, so just anything just to make your cooking time just fun and easy and convenient. Y'all, I'll be checking out more of their stuff, y'all. So question, I have a question, y'all. If you have bought a product from Pampered Chef, if you have and you watching this video, jot down, tell me what have you purchased, and just tell me your favorite thing. That if you bought multiple of items, what is some of your favorite, of the items that you purchased. Just keep this engagement going. You know what I'm saying? I like to know, like, what was your favorite gadget? What do you think about the product? What would you recommend? What would you recommend to buy? I'm seeing now they have the cast iron sizzle skillet. Different things, y'all, I see, just to make your job easier. Nobody really have time to spend lots and lots of hours in the kitchen. A lot of times, like, the hours being spent, that can detour people, from wanting to cook and do that, and cooking can be therapeutic. And if you just love doing that and you have the right tools just to do so. So anything just to make your job easier. These are some cool gadgets. I can't wait to try my rub. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'll probably get me some, like, celery sticks, some chips. I'm gonna make this thing work. Might put this in, y'all, in my spaghetti. I might put some of this stuff in my spaghetti. I think I'm gonna try it that way. Yeah, I like to try different stuff, y'all. So y'all check them out. Thanks, Sharon, for this. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm going to enjoy this, and I will, y'all. So yeah, if you are familiar with the company, y'all, jot down. Let's keep this engaged. What is your favorite gadget? If you bought a gadget, tell us how you use that gadget. You know what I'm saying? What is your experience with the tools? How have your tools made your life easier, made it much better in the kitchen? That's what it's about. You know what I'm saying? Having fun, enjoying a hobby, enjoying cooking. You know what I'm saying? Cooking brings, like, families together. That's something you can pass down to your kids. Yeah, cooking is fun. You know what I'm saying? If you have, like, the right tools and the ingredients and stuff like that to go with your food, to make your food more flavorful, y'all, it's dope, y'all. So I just want to come on just to unbox my product with you guys, and to just just to tell you a little bit about the company Pampered Chef. Just to have fun on this Sunday fun day. You know what I'm saying? If you are in the kitchen, have fun. You know what I'm saying? You can make your food. You can just make your food fun and flavorful for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Make it colorful for the kiddos. You know what I'm saying? They like colors and stuff like that, y'all. So if you need any kitchen appliances, anything like that, y'all can check out Pampered Chef, or you can hit up Sharon Casey, Shay's Creation, and she also she bakes, she does she creates all different type of stuff, cups, shirts, masks. She does all that. She also does my apparel as well. So y'all hit her up for any of your needs, y'all. Have a happy Sunday fun day. Stay tuned for my motivational Monday on my ride to work on tomorrow. Stay tuned for that, y'all. Check out my blog post I wrote. I did a new topic. Self-care isn't selfish. Y'all check that out. I did a video on that, but this is the written version. Y'all go check that out there on my blog site. Y'all make sure you following Blogging with April, my Blogging with April LLC. That's my fan page. Let's go ahead and get the engagement up over there. Let's get these numbers up over there. Thanks for watching. And remember, y'all, let's get these questions popping. Tell me, what is your favorite Pampered Chef product? I like to, keep this engagement going. y'all, as we prepare. Also, they have great stuff. If you preparing like for like the summer cookouts and stuff like that, y'all, they have some great products on there, some great tools that's gonna help, you know, make your party fun, and you can whip in that kitchen really quick. Y'all go check them out, y'all. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy Sunday fun day. Bye bye.